In this tutorial, we'll show you how to share your nutrition plans with your clients. Using our sharing feature is a fast and secure way to easily share recipes, plans, and collections with anyone. You can share single recipes, meal plans, or collections with your clients. From inside any recipe, plan, or collection, click the Share button. Click the toggle to turn it on and to generate a link. Be sure to turn on any other permissions you'd like your clients to have. When you turn on edits, anyone with the link can edit the shared items. Please note, this setting only applies to shared plans and lists. When user identification is turned on, we require people to identify themselves. This feature does not require your clients to have a That Clean Life account. It is simply a way for them to identify themselves when viewing the link. When you enable the nutrition facts, this controls whether the viewers can see the nutrition information on recipes and meal plans. To secure your resources, you can choose to enable password protection. Anyone visiting the link will be prompted to enter the password you have set before they can access the items. If you'd like to include a welcome note, detailed instructions for your clients, or a link, be sure to use attachments. You can add two types of attachments, a link or rich text, which allows you to format text of any length. To create an attachment, select the Attachments tab inside the Sharing dialog, and then click on Add Attachment. Select the type of attachment you'd like to create. For this example, we would like to create a welcome message, so we'll choose Rich Text. Enter a name and input your message in the content area. If you'd like to choose from our already written snippets, select Apply from Snippet. Select the snippet you'd like to use under Templates, and then customize your message accordingly. To save, select Create Attachment. If you'd like this message to be the first thing your client sees when they select your shared link, be sure to pin this message by clicking the icon with the three dots and selecting Pin Attachment. Your client will be greeted with this message when they visit the shared link. You can always unpin this attachment by selecting the icon with the three dots and selecting Unpin Attachment. And if you need to edit or delete your attachment, you can select those options here too. Once your permissions are set, be sure to copy the link under the Details tab and share it with your client in an email or using your practice management software. If you'd like your brand color and brand icon to be visible throughout your shared links, be sure to update this within your settings. First, upload your brand icon. Go to Your Profile, My Business, and add a square icon image. Then, set your theme color by adding the hex code or by selecting the color box and choosing a color from here. Be sure to select Save when done. From there, click on Preferences and toggle on Automatically Apply Icon Theme Color when possible. Now, when you generate a shared link, your brand color and icon will be shared across all of the pages. We report all of your shared stats from under the Shared tab within your profile. Click the icon with the three dots and select View Shared Stats. From here, you can see the total number of views and the names and email addresses of people who have viewed the link. Please note, user identification needs to be enabled to see the names of everyone who has viewed the link. If you have hit your sharing limit, this is also where you can turn off each resource or delete the link entirely. And that's how easy it is to share nutrition plans with your clients.